People were asking about my setup for like how I did all this Too Faced makeup. So I figured I'd give you guys a little video real quick and show it off a little bit. So first of all, we've got the makeups that I use. This is all just like cream makeup that came with a Halloween set. I had like a darker red lipstick. This is also what I used for the Joker smile. And then this is like a brown that I used for, details and stuff. This was for drying the gelatin, which I used to, it was just regular unflavored gelatin, which is in the sink because it was in a hot water bath to keep it workable. But I used that to hold down the toilet paper. I actually used one-ply toilet paper to get the texture. So that's a thing. Then I used a pipe cleaner, a paintbrush, and like a makeup brush for all the detail work with the makeup. This is all just like, the other shit here is all just, tooth stuff that's always on the counter here. This is just, paper towel for wiping shit up. This is my hair from earlier, just because I needed somewhere to put it to get it out of the sink. It's extra pipe cleaners and paper towels and stuff. But this is basically all I used for the makeup and stuff. Gotta clean this up now. Other than that, it was just, the two dress shirts, which are, I don't know if you can see, it's actually two dress shirts that are pinned in the back together. Got a little makeup on here, that's fine, it'll probably come out, hopefully. But yeah, two different colored dress shirts. I've got an undershirt on underneath that's kind of showing through. But yeah, and then I just, I buzzed part of my head and used gelatin to kind of seal everything down. But the moment of truth, the reason that gelatin stuck in my hair and it's annoying. The reason everyone really wanted to see this video. Let's start. Ooh. That gelatin's real sticky on the short beard hairs underneath. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, let's get through this section. This is gonna be the worst. Oh man, that's sticky. The gelatin stuck real good. But yeah, you can see underneath here, this is all just toilet paper that was like, put gelatin on underneath it and then stuck it down and put another coat of gelatin on top of it to hold it down. That was just for the texture. And then the makeup got painted on afterwards. Ooh, let's get all this off. Ow! Oh, also to hold my eye open, I don't know if you can see here, that's a Band-Aid. So I used a Band-Aid to pull down my eyelids slightly, especially when I move my mouth. Just to give that eye like a kind of pulled open look, Ooh. I shaved this side of my beard, but it's still, I didn't like shave it all the way down to the skin, so there's still little bits of hair that, I can already tell this is gonna hurt. Ooh, it's like those little tiny, mustache hairs. Ow. Whew. We're doing the de-makeuping process. I guess I could have filmed it earlier when I was putting it all on. Oh no, the eyebrow is gonna hurt so much. Just don't think about it. Oh, I should have put duct tape or something over it. That probably would have felt better. I may rip my eyebrow off. Let's start up here. Ooh, got a little bit of head hair in there. That's okay, it's all coming out anyway. Ooh, yeah, that's what we want. Big chunks. That looks... Oh, the things I do to be entertaining. Oh, my eyebrow. I may need to save the eyebrow for later and get it wet so that it doesn't hurt like hell coming off. We're just going to leave that for now. That's going to be like when I shower. But yeah, to put the eyebrow down, I just coated it really well in gelatin, let that dry a little bit, put another coat on, and then stuck a piece of tissue paper over it, and then put more gelatin on. So it, just matted it down with, ow, with that. But yeah, you can just use gelatin by itself to create the burn texture, but the tissue really helped because you don't have to kind of sit there and wait until the gelatin's at the perfect texture to work with. You can kind of, do whatever you want. Wait and let it get a little bit sticky and then just kind of push it down. Plus, it really helps for that, like, kind of folded up, half burnt skin look. Ooh, okay, this is on top of hair. Huh. So yeah, there you go. This is a little behind the scenes look into the Too Faced makeup. Oh, we got a little bit in here too. All right. Thanks for checking this out. I hope you guys enjoyed the Until Dawn stream. That was fun. Oh, we got a little eye booger there. That's not makeup, buddy. That's all Ian made. Gross. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed a little look behind the scenes. Now I gotta go get myself all cleaned up. I'll see you when I see you.